Guys, before we start with the ride along, I need to tell you, this is not going to be for everyone, but if you are someone who wants more in life, if you are someone who wants to build a reliable business that can truly bring you freedom, because let's face it, DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, all these kid apps, you have to put a lot of hours to make any kind of decent money. So if you want to build something that can truly not just give you the income that you want, but also give you time for you to enjoy your life doing the thing that you love with the people that you love, then this is what you need to do. You need to click the link in the description below this video. After you click the link, you're going to be taken to my Facebook group. On my Facebook group, I'm going to be sharing with you what I'm doing to build a reliable online business that can truly bring me freedom. Now, this is not for everyone. If you are somebody with a W-2 mentality, then you're better off getting a job. But if you are someone who wants to build something that can truly give you that time that you really want, then click the link, join the Facebook group, and that is what you need to do. Guys, first pickup of the day, it is from this place right here, Chef Tangia. Gourmet vegan. So hopefully they have it ready. Took the offer, was less than 7 miles for close to $15. Not the best one, but first pickup of the day. I started late today. I just doing the dinner shift. Working maybe close to 11 or midnight. We will see. We're still busy at the time, but this is the first one for the day. A little bit of dirty multi-apping. So I'm pairing DoorDash with Uber Eats, and the next offer is from Blaze Pizza. So hopefully they have it ready. These only 3 items. Okay guys, so we got it. Now let me put it in the car and get on the way. Over here. Okay guys, so that's done. Let's get on the way. $4.99.20.
The customer requested you leave the order at their door. They added the following instructions. Leave at my door.
Okay guys, that's done. Let's get on the way. We're picking up the next order. Got the pickup from for Blue Orchid, another pickup. They canceled the Uber Eats order, but they are going to refill a Panera. Okay guys, so just refill it and let's get on the way, guys. Next pickup, Blue Orchid, Thai place. When I took the offer was 4.5 miles and the payout was 9 something, close to $10. It's 6 items, so it has some hidden tips. We will see. Car really slow today everywhere. Okay guys, so we got it. Now let's get on the way. So we're doing the next drop off and it is for this house right here. Okay guys, so that's done. Now let's get on the way. Speak about the night. It is a terrible offer, but I took it because it's completely dead, and that is why you guys need to like pivot, because food delivery, guys, it is going down. So the next pickup is from Wood Fire Pizza, and it is close to 9 miles for $115, which is terrible. But anyway, I'm wondering if they're even open. Oh, it's over there. Okay guys, so we got it. Now let's put it in the car and head on the way. Okay guys, so we're working on the Grubhub drop off, and I believe I'm just gonna head to the gym. Too slow right today. Not good at all. Hi, how are you?
Hey, how are you doing?
How you doing? For Grubhub?
Yes, please.
How's your night going, sir? Sammy Wooden Pizza, right?
All right, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Have a good night, sir.
You too.
Okay guys, so we got it. Now let's get on the way. Now, if you watch my ride along first, I hope that you have enjoyed it, but I want to repeat this to you. If you are someone who wants to build a reliable business that can truly not just give you the income that you want, but also give you time for you to spend your life doing the thing that you love with the people that you love, then click the link in the description below this video. Join my Facebook group, because on my Facebook group I'm going to be sharing with you what I'm doing to build a reliable online business. Guys, this is Carlos, and I will see you on the next video.